In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a collection using Qdrant in N8N in just a few simple steps. If you work with vector databases or you're building automations in N8N, this is a quick and useful workflow to know. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. This could be an existing workflow you're already working on or a new one that you want to connect to Qdrant. Once your workflow is open, you're ready to add the right node. Next, go to the Nodes panel. On the left side of your N8N interface, you'll see the available nodes you can use. In that panel, search for Qdrant and select it. This will add the Qdrant node to your workflow so you can work with your collection data. After adding the node, look at the operation settings. From there, choose Get Collection. This is the option you need if you want to retrieve details about a specific Qdrant collection. It's the exact action that lets N8N access the collection information you're looking for. Now it's time to configure what you want. Depending on your setup, you may need to enter the collection name or adjust the fields required by your workflow. Fill in the settings based on the collection you want to retrieve and make sure everything matches your Qdrant configuration. Once your settings are in place, you can run the node to test it. If everything is configured correctly, N8N will fetch the collection details from Qdrant submits and return the results in your workflow. That's it. You've successfully set up Get Collection using Qdrant in N8N. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets you stay updated with more quick N8N automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.